What you doing? Hi, Buddha. Waving hi. Good boy. You silly. You silly. Yes, you are. Ruff. Ruff, 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 Buddha. Can you bark? You don't want to bark, okay. You're silly. Silly Buddha. Buddha. Hi. You already said hi to me. Silly. What? Hi, Buddha. Ruff, 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 ruff. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff. Oh, birdie bird. Buddha. You keep saying hi to me. Why? Silly boy. Buddha. Oh, what a big yawn. Are you tired? Yes. You want to go night-night? Night-night, Buddha. Buddha! Buddha! Want to go night-night? Not that you can, but I thought I'd ask. You're silly. Buddha. Ruff, 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 ruff. Buddha, ruff. Ruff, ruff, ruff. I said arf, I said bark, not to say hi. You're not. Buddha, you want a grape? Buddha, want a grape? Do you want a grape? Do you? Do you want a grape? You look like you do. Buddha, you want a grape? Buddha, say want a grape. Buddha, do you want a grape? Buddha, want a grape? Want a grape? Do you want a grape or not? Buddha, want a grape? Do you want a grape? Is that a yes or a no? Buddha, want a grape? Do you want a grape? Buddha. You're not answering the question. Do you want a grape? Yes? Is that a yes? Say yes, I want a grape. Buddha. What are you doing? You're silly. You're not, Buddha. Want a grape? You want a grape? Buddha, you want a grape? Buddha! Do you want a grape? Buddha, want a grape? Buddha, want a grape? Hi, Buddha. No, you're not. What am I going to do with you? Huh? I'm going to miss you. Where'd everybody go? Oh, where'd everybody go? I love you, Buddha. Love you. Is that I love you too? Okay, say bye-bye, camera. Buddha, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Buddha, say bye-bye. I said say bye-bye, you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Buddha. Bye-bye, Buddha. Buddha, bye-bye. Bye-bye. You know I'm recording this, aren't you? Meanie. You're a meanie. Want a grape? No, you still don't want one. Okay, fine. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, Buddha. Love you. Love you. Buddha, love you. Love you too.